Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And you know what? During the year, I have 3 favorite months, okay? 在一年当中有3个月我特别喜欢。I love 3 months in the year. One is around Chinese New Year because you get a long vacation. The other one is April. That's my birthday month. And then around September, usually because it depends on the lunar calendar, you also have Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as Moon Festival. Because during this festival, people here eat mooncakes. We do barbecues, get together with friends and family, gaze at the moon. It's a lot of fun. 中秋节真的很好玩。我们今天就要来教大家怎么说中秋节。
八月半，
八月半 ，That's 8月半。再来中秋节就是要吃好吃很多不同口味，有甜的，有咸的，有小的，有大的，有方的，有圆的，
还有冰的，
还有冰的，对，月饼 ，all sorts of varieties of mooncakes， 月饼，
捏饼，
捏饼，我记得这叫过吃的就很棒的感觉吃完棒棒给月饼 ，I love it，it's the mooncake， 捏饼，再来要教的就是月亮因为这个中秋节那一天的月亮特别的大，特别的圆嘛。
月是15。
Exactly, it is the fullest during Mid-Autumn Festival. Okay, the moon.
捏拱，
捏拱这是月亮公公那样子感觉捏拱。
那海陆腔的月亮，捏拱。
捏拱 Okay, different dialect for the moon. Let's go ahead and teach you a phrase here. 吃的嘛
好，
月饼。你喜欢吃什么口味的月饼？What kind of flavor of mooncake do you like?
好吃。
好吃 That means what do you like to eat? 你喜欢吃嘛，对不对？
马给口味。
马给口味，口味是
口味。
口味的口味 That means flavor. What kind of flavor?
给捏饼。
给捏饼 OK 你喜欢吃什么样口味的月饼？
好吃。马给口味给捏饼。
好吃。马给口味给捏饼。不错，我喜欢吃只要里面有豆豆的就有核桃啦、松子啊，我都会喜欢。
因为很香。
I love it when they have like walnuts, peanuts, pine nuts in it. It's so tasty. All right, let's review these terms. Mid-Autumn Festival or Moonfest. 中秋节。
八月半。
八月半 and then the mooncake. 月饼。
捏饼。
捏饼 and finally the moon. 月亮。
捏拱。
捏拱 and there you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.